watching my video until it doesn't even sound like itself. Part 12. Top 5 bid! Top 5 bid! Huh? Who's that? Pile, it's like a movie theater.
Stop moving.
Stop it! Stop! There's already a crowd everywhere. Crowd. I'm going to travel back in time. I probably should have said that. I'm sorry. Cool. You didn't listen to us again. No. Didn't listen to us again. Go back. Go back. Go back. Oh my God. Okay. Give it an eye. No. Four, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh. Yippee. Oh. You did. No one will forgive you. No one will forgive you. No one will forgive you. Yeah. Freeze again. A fit. The actual show now. Oh God! Light speed. Lights. Oh. Light speed. 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 Mary the bunny. Who is this goofy boy?
What's happening?
I don't know. Ow. Infect the clock. Infect it. Infect. Dude seems a little bit obsessed with the clock here. Clock. Clocky.
Everybody. I can hear top 5.
Oh, top 5 dead.
I can hear the
Crowding.
Stop loading.
Infect the clock. The clock.
I am clock.
Cool. You know, I don't really care if you're a clock or not. I want to be clock. Stop doing that. How's doing it?
It's still going.
Oh God. Oh.
Yep. Okay.
Make it go far and far and far. Make it all open.
So crazy. It's even more now.
It's a catastrophe. It's so tiny!
Separated.
It's the smallest thing in the world.
Oh god.
Literally the smallest thing I can see. I
Will we do the backing now?
It's gonna be backing back up now.
Okay.
Backing back up.
We're back to normal.
Backing back up.
Clock.
Clock!
Flower.
Flower!
Clock.
Clock!
Everyone in the blue parts.
I'm going to. Yep. Infect the clock, infect the clock, infect the clock. Infect the clock. Infect it. This goofy little clock is not.
It's so perfectly timed. I didn't even know
No.
to time it that well.
I'm going to infect the clock. The infection spreads out. Get away from there.
The crowd, though.
I know.
The crowd.
Uh-huh. Ooh.
Where did everyone go?
The fact that this video was 6 minutes long before we came along is crazy.
Oh god, he split.
And he did too. The infection. The infection of dying is happening. Everybody's dying. Everybody is perishing.
Listen.
Everybody is perishing.
I'm throwing it to the ground.
Oh, close that.
Bye.
Everyone is perishing.
They're all
He
gone.
died.
Oh god.
And then there's you left with Reeves. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone.
We're all gone.
We're all gone.
You will never see them again.